So guys, I want to cut a baby boy's short pant. You can use it for a boy or a girl without side seam. So here we cut it. So I'll be using the hip measurement on the waist because it's going to be elastic pants. So 1.5. This 1.5 above is for the elastic. So from here to here, I'll be using 7 inches. It will have 21 in by length. So what is the child's measurement on the hip is 7.25. I will use it on the waist. Mind you, if you are cutting this, make sure that there is enough allowance for the crotch extension. So I used the hip measurement on the waist because of the elastic to balance. So I use 7.25 for the baby's waist. Then 7.25 on the hip. 7.2 on the hip plus 2 inches for the crouch curl. So I have this. I'll just curve it. So on the waist here I'll have 16, then 21. So after marking the hip measurement, I extended this place by 2 inches.
There's nothing much.
Then I connected it to
it. This is what it
now
looks like.
I will go ahead to connect the crouch line from here down, then from here down.